In this tutorial, we add a few beams in the drawing and see the general usage of this tool. Beam by Selection tool helps to construct a beam on non-sequential grid points. In this drawing, we will construct beams at A1, A3, A3, A6. Open the Beam by Selection Manager. In this dialog box, the left portion helps us to build the beam and right portion helps us to manage all the beams constructed by this tool. Now let us construct the beams. Select Reference Level 2 from the pull-down menu. Select any beam size. Select A1 and A3 as the first and second grid points. Let the username be B1. Select Phase and Concrete Mix. Hit OK. Observe the beam in the drawing. Repeat the procedure to build the beam at A3, A6. Now, I am going to construct a beam from A6 to F6. Reopen the box. I will repeat all the procedure which I have previously done to construct the beam. Press the OK button. We see an alert message, "Can't create beam at the location A6 F6. As there is no column at F6, the beam can't be created.